You scared of vacuums? That's what she's scared of. It's not even plugged in. Look, here's the power. That's the longest meow I ever heard. I'm just doing this. Look at her. Oh my god. Such a scaredy cat. Stop it. Look, I'm gonna roll away. Look at her. She's acting fine now. I'm gonna close her. That's how scared she is, guys. She's scared of vacuums. She won't even go near this one. Even when it's still. Even when it's even unplugged. So, that's my cat, scared of vacuums for no apparent reason. Where'd she go? Where did she go? Oh, she's on the counter, guys. Right there. Oh, sorry guys, I should cover a little bit of that. She's over here. She's so scared. Anyway guys, that's my scared cat named Sadie. I don't know why she's scared. I tried to put her near her, hold her back legs, and she's still like that. I even close all the doors. Office. Let me zoom out here. Office. Bathroom. That door's always closed. Mom and Dad's room. My room. Laundry room. I'm gonna upload this to Twitter, so hopefully people on Twitter will see this and favorite me or follow me and all that good stuff. So, bye guys. If you see on YouTube, I don't know if it comes on YouTube. If it does, subscribe, like, comment, favorite, I don't know. Bye guys.